Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to fix Instagram voice message not playing or working. So if you also want to fix Instagram voice message not playing or working, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So your Instagram voice message might not be playing or working because of your poor internet connection. So make sure your internet connection is stable. If your internet connection is stable but still your voice message is not working, in that case it might be because your application is not updated. For that you'll have to update the application. In order to update the application, simply open Play Store. You can see over here Play Store has been opened. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now type in Instagram. Now over here you'll be able to find the option for Instagram. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Right now you can see two options over here, uninstall and open. If your application is not updated, instead of open option, you'll be able to find the option for update. All you have to do is tap on it. After that, your application will be updated and your problem should be fixed. If your problem is still not fixed, what you can do is try clearing the cache of the application. For that, what you have to do is go to app library of your device. Now over here, find the application for Instagram. Once you find the application for Instagram, all you have to do is long press on it. Now tap on the option app info that you can see right over here. Now you'll be led to the app info interface. Now over here you'll be able to find several options. At third you'll be able to find the option for storage and cache. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can see two options over here, clear storage and clear cache. Simply tap on the option clear cache that you can see on the screen. Now after that, the cache of your application will be cleared and your problem should be fixed. If your problem is still not fixed, what you can do is try checking the permission of the application. For that, simply go back. Now in the app info interface, you'll be able to find the option for permissions. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be led to the app permissions interface. You'll be able to find several options over here. Make sure microphone is allowed. You can see over here microphone is allowed right now. If it is not allowed, make sure to allow the permission for microphone. After that, your problem will be fixed. If your problem is still not fixed, what you can do is try uninstalling the application and install it again. After that, your problem will be fixed. So that is how you fix Instagram voice message not playing or working. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.